Good morning, students. Welcome again to the class of English literature. As you know, for last few days we are studying the novel Kanthapura, written by Raja Rao. We have studied its detailed summary. Uh, about 16 chapters we have covered. Now in this video we are going to start chapter number 17th. As we know, this is a very famous novel written by Raja Rao in 1938 when India was a slave to British government, and a boy named Murthy, who is the hero of this novel, tries to organize the people of the Kanthapura, which is situated in the western Ghats of South India. He tries very hard to organize the people against the British government. He is very much influenced by the Mahatma Gandhi and the Congress. Now in this video we are going to start it's chapter number 17. So let's begin it. Chapter number 17th, it is entitled The Struggle. Those who were arrested during the satyagraha at Borona's Tadi booth were released on the expiry of their term. On their return from jail, they were given a hero's welcome in the village Kanthapura. They related horrible tales. Relate means batana. Horrible tales of the beatings and tortures given to them in the prison. Sitaramu, for example, narrated how he was yoked like a bull. सीतारामू वह भी जेल में गया था और उसने बताया कि किस प्रकार से गवर्नमेंट ने उन्हें टॉर्चर किया, और उसने ये भी बताया कि किस प्रकार से उसे एक बैल के समान जोता गया और उसे खेत में ले जाया गया. एंड मेड टू प्लो द फील्ड. He was whipped and made to work for long hours. Whipped means कोड़े मारना. उसे कोड़े भी मारे गए और उसे कई घंटों तक काम करवाया गया. Even though he ran high temperature, यहाँ तक कि उसे हाई टेम्परेचर हो रहा था, बुखार हो रहा था, फिर भी उससे काम करवाया गया. The freedom fighters were in jails. Government repression was also intensified. Government repression means दमन कार्य. गवर्नमेंट का जो दमन कार्य है वो भी इंटेंसिफाइड हो गया, मतलब वो भी और ज़्यादा बढ़ गया ऑन द पीपल ऑफ कांथापुरा. ए न्यू पटेल वाज अपॉइंटेड. एक नया पटेल को वहाँ अपॉइंट किया गया. जैसा कि आप पहले जानते हैं, पहले उस गांव का पटेल रांगे गौड़ा हुआ करता था, जिसे ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने हटा दिया क्योंकि वह फ्रीडम फाइटर्स को सपोर्ट कर रहा था. People were ordered to pay the revenue to him. Only a few paid their dues to him. The others refused to do so, as was the instruction of Murthy that they should not pay the revenues to the government. So the people of Kanthapura refused to pay the revenues to the government. Murthy frankly warned them that soon they will come to attach their property. मूर्ति ने उन्हें यह भी बताया कि अगर हम ये टैक्स नहीं भरेंगे तो हो सकता है कि गवर्नमेंट हमारी प्रॉपर्टी को अटैच भी कर ले, मीन्स उसको गिरवी रख ले, उसको किसी अन्य को बेच देवे, जब्त कर लेवे. बट इफ़ दे रिमेंड फर्म दे वर श्योर टू विन. और उसने ये भी कहा कि अगर हम अपनी बात पर दृढ़ रहेंगे, हम टैक्स नहीं चुकाएंगे, कोई भी न चुकाए, तो जीत हमारी ही होगी. द विलेजर्स डग द अर्थ. डग मीन्स खोदना. विलेजर्स ने धरती को खोदा. एंड बरीड देयर ज्वेलरी एंड अदर वैल्यूएबल्स. इन दिस वे दे प्रिपेयर्ड देमसेल्व्स फॉर द कमिंग इवेंट्स. One heavy morning they discovered that all the roads and lanes leading to Kanthapura had been barricaded. Some stone upon stones were piled on the road and tree upon tree was laid beside them. एक दिन उन्होंने ये देखा कि उनकी कांतापुरा की जो रोड्स हैं उन सभी को ब्लॉक कर दिया गया है, बैरिकेड लगाकर कई जगह पत्थर रख दिए गए हैं, कुछ जगह पेड़ों को काटकर लगा दिया गया है। कैनाल बैंक्स वर डग एंड वाटर लेट थ्रू, और जो कैनाल बैंक्स है, कैनाल मीन्स नहर, नहर के जो किनारे हैं उन्हें भी खोद दिया गया और उनमें से पानी को बह जाने दिया। थॉर्न्स वर लेड, थॉर्न्स मीन्स कांटे, कांटों को डाला गया। वेयर कैक्टसेस ग्रू एंड अर्थ वाज प्योर्ड ओवर इट। 1 2 3 4 5 6 policemen stood behind them, bayonets and bugles in their hands. वो जो पुलिस वाले वहाँ खड़े हुए थे उनके हाथ में बेयोनेट मीन्स चाकू लगी हुई बंदूक और बिगुल उनके हाथ में थे। एंड फॉर चीफ दे हैड ए टॉल वाइट मैन। द गवर्नमेंट एक्शन हैड बिगन। In the afternoon there was much beating of the drums. The new beadle announced, beadle means चपड़ासी, जो नया चपड़ासी है उसने अनाउंस किया that if the revenues was not paid according to the law, every man, woman and child in Kantapura will have to pay a punitive tax of 1 rupee and 3 paisa. The government was determined to rule the country and those who created trouble shall be sent to jail. During the night, Murthy, Rangamma and Ratna went from door to door telling people that the fight had begun. If any Patel agent or policeman entered the house, they should ring the temple bell and at once they would come to their help. The entire atmosphere was tense. Tense means gambhir, tanav, as the people waited through the night for any happenings. The next morning, as they were sweeping the street fronts, there saw a long procession. Procession means julus. It had an armed soldier at the head and another at the rear. Rear means pichla hissa. In the middle, with one policeman to every 2 men, were the coolies who had left the Skeffington estate to live in कांथापुरा. कांथापुरा में रहने के लिए जो स्केफिंगटन कॉफ़ी एस्टेट से जो कुलीज आए थे उन सब को अब वापस ले जाया जा रहा था पुलिस के द्वारा. दे वर बीइंग लेड बैक टू एस्टेट बिकॉज द साहिब वांटेड देम. दे फाउंड आउट that while they were all sound asleep, the police had come and taken Murthy and Rangamma away. और उन्हें यह भी मालूम पड़ा कि रात को जब वे गहरी नींद में सो रहे थे तब मूर्ति और रंगम्मा को भी पुलिस वहाँ से लेकर जा चुकी थी. रंगम्मा's house was locked up and guarded up and no one could enter it. Many men had been taken away that night and their women tied up and gagged. Gagged means मुंह बांध कर पटक देना. The whole village was full of policemen. Everywhere one turned, there were policemen and policemen. The Pariha woman and children were crying and screaming. The women folk could not bear the sight of children and women being beaten. They gloved into streets. They stoned the policemen and hurled abuses at them, who in turn beat and kicked them. In a word, the whole street was filled with cries and sorrows. A policeman picked a little boy up by his leg, turned him upside down, and beat him so violently that when he threw the child down, the grass only blood and sobs came from his mouth. When the policemen saw the woman watching, they chased them, threw stones at them, and whipped and kicked them. One policeman caught hold of Puttamma, and we heard her shout, Ayu, Ayu. Before we knew it, the policeman was on her. The woman rushed to find help for her, but none could be found. Where were their men? Sitama rushed to her neighbor, and the house was full of policemen. They caught her, and she shrieked, tore herself free, and rushed to find a hiding place. The woman thought that the best and safest place to hide was the temple, so they ran that way. They could see Rangamma's house. There was an elephant on the veranda. The policemen were getting the elephant to push down the door. Up by the temple corner, there was a group of about 12 women being whipped and kicked by the policemen. Among them was pregnant Radhamma. She was trying to run with the other woman. Fortunately, she saw them as they were passing by. They wanted to get her to a safe place, but she collapsed. Collapse means गिरना. And twisted with pain. और दर्द के मारे ऐठने लग गई. Her baby slipped out of her there and then. चूँकि वो गर्भवती थी तो उसके गर्भ से एक बेबी जो है वो स्लिप हो गया, बाहर आ गया. इट स्क्रीम्ड एंड येल्ड. वो बहुत ज़्यादा चिल्लाई, चीखी. Although she was only 7 months gone, बच्चा अभी केवल 7 महीने का था. वन ऑफ अस टोर द कॉर्ड. हम में से एक महिला ने उसके जो कॉर्ड है, उसकी जो नाल है, उसे काटा. एंड पुट द चाइल्ड इन हर सारी फ्रिंज. जस्ट देन वी हर्ड क्राइज फ्रॉम द पोस्ट ऑफिस हाउस. ए फ्यू ऑफ अस रस्ड ऑफ टू सी वॉट इट वॉज अबाउट. As we entered the house, we heard Ratna's voice. She was on the kitchen floor with her ankles tied together and her bodies all torn. The policeman was still there. When he saw them, he turned and ran, slipping away over the wall. Ratna cried and hugged them and told them how she had scratched and bitten him and fallen on her stomach. One of them went back to fetch Radhamma and her baby. They all sat in the kitchen for a while to recover their breath. When Ratna was up and washed, she said, Now, sister, this is no safe place to hide. Let us go to the temple. They were just going out through the bathroom when Ratna shouted, Fire, fire, Bhatta's house is on fire. They knew the Pariha woman must have set it alight. जब वो वहाँ से मंदिर की तरफ जाने लगी, सभी जो औरतें हैं, तभी उन्होंने देखा कि भट्ट जो है उसके घर पर आग लगाई जा चुकी है. और उन्हें ये भी मालूम पड़ गया कि ये आग अवश्य परिहा वुमन ने लगाई होगी. They could hear the heavy thumps of the elephant moving up the street and the shrieks of the Pariha woman and their children. As they ran and crawled at back of the temple, they heard a terrific crash as Bhatta's veranda roof smashed to the ground. At least they were in the safety of the temple. There were crashes from Bhatta's house, and the fire rose higher and higher as the rice granary caught the fire. One of the women, Vedamma, had high fever and she trembled and moaned. Ratna decided to go out and bring blankets for her. But hardly had she crossed the temple when a policeman saw her and ran after her. Ratna at once rushed in and closed the temple door and put in the bar so that it may not be opened. The policeman beat and beat against the door for long but could not break in. Break in means andar aana. Then they decided to seal it up so that none may go out. The result was that by the afternoon they were all hungry and thirsty. They waited eagerly for sounds of people coming to their help, but they could not hear, only the sounds of soldiers. Soldiers' boots keeping watch outside the door. They lighted the sacred fire and recited bhajans so that the people may know that they were prisoners in the temple and come to their rescue. But none came. In order to pass the time as well as to encourage them, Ratna told them stories of the women of Bombay and of other big cities and how bravely they were fighting the red men. Red man means Englishman, shoulder to shoulder with their menfolk. They listened to the stories, dozed and snored and sang bhajans, and in this way the night passed. With the daybreak, means जब सूरज उगा, Rachanna's wife Ranchi came and opened the door. She had heard their moaning and groaning through the night, and taking the key from the Patel's house, had come to release them. They hurried back to their homes. The street was deserted. Desert means khali hona, and the police had left. They found that Putamma was ill and wailing. They also discovered that all their menfolk had not been taken away by the police. Many of them had hidden themselves in the dense jungle. Dense means ghana. Jungle bushes on the outskirts of the village. They had watched from there all through the night. That was how Pariha Siddhaya could come to the help of Putamma when the policemen tried to dishonor her. It was a great comfort to them, and now they could sleep soundly. So this was the detailed summary of the chapter number 17th, and now this novel is about to end. We have only 2 chapters left, chapter number 18th and chapter number 19th. So in the next video we will meet with the chapter number 18th detailed summary. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.